What's up? It's your girl Lisa Kerr back with another video. So today, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, your girl is going to be making her very own PC, personal computer, from scratch. Is it from scratch?
From scratch.
Yeah, from scratch. My friend Fred. So he is actually the one who has been helping me along this whole process. He's probably actually the person who convinced me to do it. And yeah, so I just decided to build a PC because it'll be better for my experience. If you don't know, I have a Mac laptop and you know, it does what I need it to do, but for what I want it to do, I need something more reliable. Also, having a PC will help with my content for YouTube, so it's a win-win. Okay, so before I get started, I'm just gonna go through all of the parts that I have and where I got them from, just so that in case any of y'all are interested in buying or looking or whatever, you can get some ideas from me. Just a quick disclaimer before I get into this video. I just want to let everyone know that if you are trying to learn how to build a PC and all that, this is probably not the video for you. I am just sharing my experience of building a PC. I'm not an expert. Fred is not an expert, but we're showing you guys what we know and what we do. So just a disclaimer, please. Okay, so first things first, I got a CPU. This is the CPU that I got, and I got this from B&H Photo and Video, I think is what they are. It's a very well-known site for anything photo, video related. My brother, he's a photographer, and he uses it to like rent photography equipment and stuff like that. So it's a good site. So the next thing that I got for my computer is a video card, which is this one. And a video card is basically what produces the imaging, well, better imaging for my computer. Haha, got it. So yeah, this is just to make my imaging better, whether it's for gaming, editing, yada yada, all of that. So yeah, I got this from Amazon. Yeah. So I'm not gonna open it now, but the next thing I got is this Seagate hard drive. Basically, this is just gonna hold my whole operating system.
Yeah, plus information.
Plus all my information. So, gotta have a hard drive. And also, later on down the line, I'm gonna be adding a SSD as well. And basically, that's just more hard drive space.
Yeah, and its SSD is a little bit faster too.
And the SSD is faster. I don't know why I'm repeating because you guys can probably hear him. Okay, so the next item, or the next part of my PC that I got is a RAM, which is also a gaming memory, and this will hold the memory of certain apps and certain programs on my computer.
Yeah.
Like gaming.
Well, it's not just gaming, it's just like all applications.
Oh, all applications. So yeah. So but then what's the difference between this and a hard drive?
See, no, that's where it gets kind of complicated.
Okay, we're not gonna discuss that. I got this from Newegg.com, and it's literally how it's spelt, how it's said, Newegg. So yeah. All right, so the next item is my tower case, which is basically the home for everything. Everything that I've shown you guys will live inside of this case. If you want a better picture, I'll put it on the screen of what it looks like. And I got this from Amazon as well. And it's so cool because it lights up. Okay, yeah, it lights up. So the next part to my PC is the motherboard. I got into this predicament where I kept ordering stuff and they would confirm my order, but basically they didn't have enough parts. So then my order had to end up getting canceled. So I waited forever for Best Buy just to tell me, it's canceled. So I was like, okay, whatever. Finally went to Amazon. You see, Amazon always got your back. Always. Finally went to Amazon and they found it and they shipped it to me within a week. The motherboard brings everything together. So you can't have a computer without a motherboard. And the last and final product that goes into my PC, that will be going into my PC, is my power supply. Fred went to go actually pick this up from Microcenters. This doesn't really have to do with building the PC, but I also bought a keyboard and mouse as well from Jellycomb, also from Amazon. It's just a simple keyboard and mouse, wireless. That's all it is. Let's get right into this video. Like I said, everything will be down in the description below. And also remember, we are not experts. We are not professionals. So don't judge us. Thank you.
You want to be delicate because you have a lot of like small pieces that with too much force can just be broken. So this is what shows up in the back of your PC.
Oh, cool. Okay, so first thing we're gonna start off is putting the motherboard. We have the motherboard right here, as I showed you guys just now. And then first thing we're gonna connect is the CPU and our RAM. So how come you got socks on?
Because your shit was, you was all over this thing. You was like...
Break dancing. Literally, they tell you that you can't touch the bottom of this. And this man just said, don't put fingerprints on the top. So then what am I supposed to touch? Yay!
So the next thing he's gonna do, he's gonna add...
Hercules. Okay, so now we're about to apply my CPU cooler. It's basically the fan for the CPU. Y'all, so now we'll be addressing my case. I'm so excited. We don't use knives out here, we got nails. Okay, so this is where the glass was, and this is inside. We have all of our cords to attach to the motherboard. There's a fan right here, and then all of these fans are RGB, which if you don't know what that means, they light up, for lack of better words. So this is the back. So this is where my power supply will be. And this is where all the buttons, like my USB, HDMI that's on the motherboard, this is where it will show. And then on the top, we have a power button, more USBs, headphone, microphone, all of that.
Stupid.
So this is the power supply. There's a lot of cords attached to this. And it's gonna go right here in the bottom. Alright guys, so just now we were just connecting these wires at the bottom, these tiny wires right here, and then the audio and USB wires. Took forever, but we finally got it. The cords for the fan don't seem compatible with my motherboard. So.
You can show it to them.
Huh?
You can show it to them.
Yeah. So this is the cord for my fans. And my motherboard has no slot whatsoever for these. Why would they give us a case that isn't compatible with the motherboard? I didn't pay for a case that comes with 4 fans to go out and buy 4 fans. The fan issue has been resolved. Found out that basically there's a connector that would connect the fan ports that I have to my motherboard. So these are the ports that I showed you guys earlier for the fans, but the motherboard only supports these types. So we found the connector, we're able to connect them all. And then we're gonna plug this into the motherboard. So the video card is all that we have left to do. just put in the gaming card right here.
Video card.
Video card. As you can see right here. We're about done.
All right.
All we have to do now is, you said just plug these cords in?
Yeah, plug this thing to power the video card.
Okay, so this right here, we're gonna plug it in with the video cord. And this comes from what? This comes from the power supply?
Yep.
So now we're screwing in the hard drive. Well, the hard drive like case area, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't move around.
Yeah. It's like a hard drive case area so that the hard drive doesn't move around. And we have to screw in the power supply too. All right, guys, so now we are going to test everything out to see that it works. I do already have a monitor. I've had my monitor for a while. Got this from HP. Moment of truth, y'all. He turned it on without pressing the power supply. Oh, no, we have an issue. Yeah, there's something wrong. The fan starts moving and then it stops. And then I seen a light flicker on that.
What's going on?
I don't think it has anything to do with power supply. It's getting power, it's just not keeping it.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out why. Everything's connected.
Okay guys, so unfortunately we were not able to troubleshoot. The PC is still not turning on. We're not sure what went wrong. Fred is gonna take the PC to a computer store to see if they can find out what the issue is.
Thinking that it might be the RAM.
Fred thinks it's the RAM. So we'll see. Let's just cross our fingers and hope for the best. So basically there is gonna be a part 2 to this video of me just explaining what went wrong, because I'll probably know by then what went wrong, and just to show you guys how it looks like booted up and everything. So I'll do a part 2 for that. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so sorry that I was not able to finish it and show you guys the final product today, but stay tuned. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe so that you can see the part 2 of this and be notified when I post it. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.